Everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage your WeTransfer storage in 2026. If your storage is getting full or you want to keep your account organized, this step-by-step guide will help you free up space and manage your files more efficiently. First, open your web browser and visit the WeTransfer website. Sign in to your account using your email address and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can view your transfers and stored files. From the dashboard, open the Files * or Storage * section, depending on your account version. Here, you'll see all of your uploaded files and folders, along with the amount of storage they're using. Take a moment to review your files. If you find old transfers or files you no longer need, select them by checking the box next to each item. Then click *** delete * or remove ** to free up storage space. Be sure you no longer need these files before deleting them, as this action may be permanent. You can also organize your files into folders, rename important items, or move them if your plan supports these features. Keeping your files organized makes them much easier to find later. If you're running out of space regularly, check your current storage usage in the account settings. If necessary, you can upgrade your plan to get additional storage and more advanced features. After cleaning up your files, refresh the storage page to confirm that your available space has increased. Regularly deleting unnecessary files and organizing your uploads is the best way to keep your WeTransfer account running smoothly. And that's how to manage your WeTransfer storage in 2026.